In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do 2D toe touches. So there's two types of people that might want to do this. One is those looking to improve single leg stability or the stability of their hips, ankle and knees. So this could be post injury or just in general. And then there's the second group of people that might want to do this fast as a cardiovascular exercise that's low impact. So what we're going to do is we're going to have one foot completely in contact with the floor at all times, and the next leg is going to be pointing forward with the toe and tapping forwards just with the toe, coming back to neutral, stepping back, back to neutral, to the side, across the body and back. So that was forwards, back, side to side. And every single time I'm touching my toe, not the whole of my foot. On the other side, that would look like forwards, back, side to side. Of course, if done very quickly, that would be and work up a nice low impact cardiovascular exercise. That's how to do 2D toe touches. You would repeat exactly the same repetitions and sets on your first side as the second side that you're doing.